David Goncalves Valadao is an American politician and dairy farmer who is the U.S. representative for California's 21st congressional district. In 2020, Valadao defeated TJ Cox to reclaim the seat he held from 2013 to 2019. Before being elected to Congress, he served one term in the California State Assembly, representing the 30th District. He is a member of the Republican Party. After the 2020 elections, Valadao, Michelle Steele, and Young Kim became the first Republican congressional candidates since 1994 to unseat incumbent House Democrats in California. Valadao was unable to attend his scheduled swearing-in on January 3, 2021, due to a COVID-19 diagnosis. He quarantined at his home in Hanford, California. He took his seat on January 12, 2021. Valadao was born and raised in Hanford, California. His parents are Portuguese immigrants. His father grew up on the Azores Islands. In a 2013 interview, Valadao said his parents were initially registered Democrats but later switched to the Republican Party. Valadao graduated from Hanford High School in 1995. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.